Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you if you want to skip any kind of slide from your presentation, you can also do that. For example, you are presenting a slideshow and you want that this slide should be skipped. You can also do that. So let's start and let's see how we can do that. So firstly, what we have to do, we have to open our presentation, and after opening the presentation, as you can see, it has the option for the slide. So we have to click on the slide. Before clicking on the slide, we need to choose that which slide you want to skip. For example, I want to skip this one, the hardware one. So I'm going to click on this, and after clicking on this, we have to click on the slide, and after clicking on slide, you will get the skip slide option here. So we have to click on the skip slide. So as you can see now, you will get this type of icon, and this icon means that slide won't be able to show in your slideshow. So for example, if you want to skip this one, you can also do that. You have to go to the slide and you have to click on the skip slide, and now this slide will be also not visible in your slideshow. So as you can see now, it's done. And this way you can skip your slides. So for example, I'm going to play the slideshow. As you can see now it's here, and this way you can skip your presentation. This way you can skip your slide from your presentation. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can skip your slides from your presentation. So see you guys in the next video.